The history of a bird in this position being preserved is very old. They're in the Egyptian tombs. If you know your Egyptian mythology, you know that Horus was a falcon. And if you know anything about Egyptian inheritance in the royal family, the two rules to become pharaoh was you had to marry the daughter of Isis because the throne went through the female line, and you had to go out in the desert alone and climb a cliff and get a falcon, which meant that Horus approved. So if you wanted to be a pharaoh in your afterlife, you had to bring your kingbird or your falcon with you. So in the Egyptian tombs, there are skins. The museum in Philadelphia, the Academy of Natural Sciences, the oldest, natural history museum in North America, has a beautiful one.